Where are we going, Trace?
I'm really excited today because we're off to Skegness. Well, we're actually going to be going to a few different places down the east coast, and we'll show you on a few different videos, but we're going to start off with Skegness. It's going to take us about 2 hours to get there. It's really rainy at the minute and not very nice, but we're hoping that by the time we get there it might have brightened up.
How's the trip looking so far, Tracy?
It took us 2 hours to get here, and the forecast said it was going to be nice from 11. It's 11:45 and it's worse now than it was earlier. So other than just being quite funny, I'm not sure what we're going to do because it's absolutely chucking it down.
Ready for the rain?
I'm ready. I don't feel I need a bigger goal. You can't not go out in Britain because it rains, otherwise you never go anywhere. So we just think, screw it, we're gonna go anyway.
You look good. So it's very wet, it's very rainy, there's not really too much happening, not much to do. I'm looking behind me. If you see, there's like an aqua branch, Via Ferrata kind of thing, called Adventureland or Altitude, I'm not sure. Looks kind of cool, would be obviously treacherously dangerous in the terrible rain we've got today, so we're not going to have a go. Otherwise I might have had a pop at that, it was quite fun. You're looking very glamorous.
I don't understand why every chip shop's got Spider-Man outside it. I don't know the relevance. There's nothing on it about superheroes. I don't understand.
So, Skegness is famous for having a statue of what you call the Jolly Fisherman. Kind of looks a little bit camp, kind of looks a little bit strange. I remember it from when I was a kid, and I used to come with my mum, my dad, my grandma, my granddad. I'm not sure if this is it. He doesn't look particularly jolly, although he does look a little bit camp. So, yeah, I don't know. A bit underwhelming anyway. It makes me laugh that they've got a waterfall going on. Not sure if it's actually like done as a waterfall or if it's just the rain coming off it from today. Hey ho. What we're doing, Trace?
So whenever you come to Seaside, you've got to go on the penny slots, and there's loads of different ones you can go on, but I always prefer the 2p ones. And when I used to come with my mum and dad, they used to give me 2p's and tell me that when they were gone, they were gone. Which Paul just told me now as well. So give it a go.
when they're gone, they're gone. So this is one of my favourite things, it's actually a double one. It's where you punch something and also kicking. I absolutely love it because it's a football one, so I can boot the ball as hard as I want. So I'm never going to go see how hard I can kick and punch them. One goal for 50 pence. It wasn't, it wasn't very good. I didn't enjoy that. If I kicked it quite hard, then now my foot hurts a little bit. So I think it's time to go do something else. Tracy, where are we?
We've come down to the beach because if you've seen our previous video from Blackpool, which we'll link in the description box, you'll know that whenever I come to the seaside, I have to go on the sand, and I can because it's out today. So.
Super. For everybody, when Tracy says it's out today, she means the tide's out, not the beach is out. Just for clarification. Three. Tracy, where are we?
We've just walked to the end of the pier and it's finally stopped raining just for a little bit. It seems a little bit brighter out here. So we've picked perfect time after we've had something to eat to come down and have a little wander on the pier, which is actually not a big pier, but it's quite cool. And the beach is massive. You can see for miles really on both sides. It's really pretty.
What can we see behind you?
There's so many, I think it's 3 different wind farms that have been built just off the coast. And you can see some of them, but I think there's some more set back as well. So we're always a big fan of anything that's saving a bit of energy and using wind to create electricity.
So we had quite a nice time in Skegness. I have to say I was pleasantly surprised. If you've seen one of our previous videos, we went to Blackpool, which is also, for those of you outside the UK, it's also a British seaside town. We didn't really like it. It was a bit dirty, it was a bit skanky, it was quite expensive, and basically we didn't think it was a very good day out and we were a bit disappointed. Today it rained so much, but you know, that notwithstanding, it was a really nice little trip. The beach at Skegness is lovely. We really liked the pier. It was very pleasant, a bit quiet but lovely. We enjoyed having a walk around the town. It was relatively clean. It was quite nice, and I'd like to go back on maybe a sunnier day. Definitely on a sunnier day. Maybe in the summer, have a picnic on the beach, maybe enjoy a few of the rides, and maybe go on the altitude thing that you saw earlier in the video. Very nice, very pleasant little day.